Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sunil Kumar Jadhav. Here we are going to learn a section formula that is from grade 10 mathematics coordinate geometry. This is part 15 of this series coordinate geometry. Section formula is a formula in which you can see that this is a line segment which is having two endpoint A x1 y1 and B coordinates are x2 y2. If point P, which has coordinate xy, divides this line segment AB in the ratio of m is to n, then what would be the value of x coordinate and y coordinate of P that we can learn from this section formula? What is that? If point P coordinate xy divides the line segment AB joining this line segment AB where point A has coordinate A x1 y1 and B x2 y2, it divides in the ratio of m is to n, then what would be the value of this x and value of this y coordinate for point P? The formula will be like this. X coordinate of this point P, x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and for y coordinate y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. So this is what the section formula to find out the value of x and y coordinate of point P which divide line segment AB in the ratio of m is to n from point A. From point B we have to take it, then this will be alternate. So this is one of the formula. Now just imagine this P point is the midpoint. In this time what would be happening? If I'll say point P is a midpoint to line segment AB. In this case, what would be the formula? In this case, we know that the value of m and n will becomes the same. That is, we can say m is equal to n. So what would be in that case? We can see that what is in that particular case. If I'll keep the values over here, x coordinate of that is m x2 plus, instead of n I'll keep it m, as it is a m is equal to n, m x1 upon m plus m. So what would be the value? X is equal to, in this both the m is common, so m into bracket x2 plus x1 upon m plus m is equal to 2m. M would be cancelled, then the formula will be x is equal to x2 plus x1 upon 2. This would be the formula if this point P, which has the coordinate p x y, is a midpoint of this line segment AB where A has the coordinate x1 y1 and B has the coordinate x2 y2. The formula will be x coordinate will be equal to x2 plus x1 by 2. In the similar way, if we wanted to find out about y, we know the formula that y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. In the similar way, we'll write it my2 plus my1. Why is it so? Because m is equal to n. The ratios are same because this is a midpoint. So this distance m and n, both these distance will becomes equal. If this will become the midpoint of the line segment AB, this distance will be equal to this distance. So y my2 plus my1 upon m plus m. We know in this case that y is equal to, I'll take the m common, m y2 plus y1 upon m plus m is equal to 2m. M would be cancelled, so the formula will be y is equal to y2 plus y1 upon 2. So this is how you can find out the formula for the midpoint also. So our section formula is this, that is what our important point is, that is if this point P xy divides line segment AB from point A side in the ratio of m is to n, the x coordinate will be mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and for the y coordinate my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. So this is what the section formula is. In the next video we'll see the sums related to this formula. Thank you.